Just a second, I'm connecting my system.
Yes, yes, no problem, no problem.
Now
Yes,
you can
I
see
can.
the screen, right? Yeah.
Yes, I can see the screen.
So yesterday we were talking about recycler view, right?
Recycler view. Yes, I remember that. I mean, I did, after you gone with the presentation, I did look into recycler view and try to clear my concept even more. So yeah, my concept is clear on recycler view.
Super, super, super.
Yeah. Yeah, but I still feel like for the coding, I still have to Google a couple of times.
Correct, correct, correct. Always, like anyone, like even in the expert also have to code, have to search it online.
Have to. Yeah, there is no other way. It's impossible.
Yes.
It's
Yes,
very
we can't.
unpractical to memorize.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, what do we do in the sense? We'll alter this recycler view a bit with
Mhm.
the still now we are having only the single text view, right?
Right.
We'll make it as a contact list. We'll
Okay.
have image of the contact person and as well as
Okay.
the name of the person.
Okay. Okay.
So what do we do in this one? Okay. So this array list won't work out because this array list consists of only one string.
Mm-hmm.
No, okay.
So we need to create like a custom container now.
Yes, correct, correct. Whatever you're saying is correct. We need to make a custom container. Custom container is nothing but a data class.
Right.
Data class. We used to call it as a model class.
Okay.
I create as a person.
Okay. Why is the profile pic a string?
Okay, we are going. Okay, we are going to get it from the server. Server, like server will give as a string only. So, like for example, I'll show this.
Oh, you mean like link of the picture?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay, okay, I get it.
So, so like this URL, we will get it from the server. Like APIs will provide these kind of things. So we will, load this image into a image in a image position using this some libraries, third-party libraries.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it.
Okay, I have created this data class variable, data class which is named as person, which has two things, like one is name and one is profile picture. So we need to have two methods. We call this as a getter and setter.
Right,
It,
right.
it means like using this class object, we can able to get the name of this name string, and we can able to set it to this name actually. Okay, read out the line. So public string get name. Get name is the method. It returns this name.
Right, right,
So you can use to able to get a name from this place. And
right.
same like that, you can do a set also. So public
Okay.
void set name of whatever the name you are passing here, it will be stored into this name. This dot name means this name it will store. You can
Okay.
set it and you can get it. Same like that profile picture also. Get it and then set it.
Yeah, yeah. Got it.
Instead of string, I just moved it to person.
Person. Yeah.
See, now everything is giving warning because we are passing string. So it won't work out as of now. I need to make it as person object.
Okay, I'm so sorry, man. My internet had a lag.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, I don't think it's my internet. I think it's my what do you call Wi-Fi card has a problem. That's why.
Okay, okay, okay. Can you able to see the screen?
Yeah, yeah. I'm seeing the screen now.
Okay, no issues.
Yeah.
So we have created a person object. In this person object, we are setting as Fardin as the name, and then profile picture as this picture name picture.
Okay. Right.
So we are adding into this array list.
Okay.
We are passing it to there. Okay, in the recycler video adapter, we didn't change it because it still has this array list as a string. So we'll
Okay.
change it to person.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So now they are gone. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So we'll go to this UI. So we
Yeah.
have a text view alone, right? Okay. Image view UI component.
Right. Okay.
Okay, now it looks fine, right?
It looks good.
We'll add the image view also here.
Why do we need an? Oh, because
Okay, now we have understood, right? So we have altered this in individual UI element.
Right. We added an image view beside
Yeah,
the text
yeah,
view.
image view, and then in the recycler view, in the on view holder, in the
Right.
view holder, we are adding this. We are creating this image view object, and this
Uh-huh.
image object, we are setting. We are finding by finding the UI element from the XML resource.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so using this holder object, we can able to
Mm.
access that image view.
Right.
Oh, okay, we can able to access this image view. We can able to access here using this holder object.
Folder
So for
option.
the text view, we simply use the setting a set text method, and we simply set it. We
Mm-hmm.
need to load the image, right? So now we are getting a URL of the image. So we need to load that image in this particular image URL, right? So
Okay.
we
Yeah.
need to use some third-party libraries. So
Uh,
now you will come to this real picture, like how to use third-party picture. There are many image loading libraries are available. Like the names are
so Java cannot load image URL.
um, by default it has some, but efficient wise we need to go with fastest libraries and all.
Oh, okay. Okay. I see.
Picasso, Glide, Coil. These are the
Okay.
popular image loading libraries.
Okay.
So I will go with this Glide.
Okay.
I'll go with Coil also. It will be good. See Coil image loading library.
Okay.
Yeah, the first line implementation. This line is required.
We need to put it in the manifest file.
We will put it in the Gradle file.
Oh, Gradle file. Yes, yes, yes. Gradle. Okay. Ah. So we just put that one line, and Java will this code will.
Implement. Yeah, this will pull the library files.
Okay, okay.
Once we paste it here, we need to sync it. Like whatever the changes we required, we done it in this Gradle file. We need to sync it.
Okay.
It is importing all the libraries, all the class files inside our project file.
Okay. It's done.
Okay, it's done.
Yeah.
So how do we implement this? See, this is image view dot load is the method. Using this load method, we can able to load the image URL.
Okay. Okay.
Not only URL, this local in the drawable folder, whatever the image you are storing, also we can able to load it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Holder dot image view dot load. Sorry, this is not accessible.
Do we need to import anything? No, not
It's
needed.
already imported.
It's already imported. Okay. I mean, I had experience with Xamarin, right? In Xamarin, like you didn't have to do any like image loading library. It's like it was very simple.
Okay,
Just
okay,
put the
okay.
link and the image would load.
Okay, super, super.
Yeah, this this is a bit complicated process, I see. Does not exist.
Why does it so?
Mm.
This is taking too much of time.
Yeah. Like, so every time you add dependency, it downloads something. Is that what happens?
Like in every project,
Oh, okay.
I'll show my existing project and all. Like it's taking too much of time.
Yeah.
Until that will look something else.
Okay.
Able to see.
Yes, I can see.
So this is Android architecture.
Okay.
So there are 4 levels. One is like Linux kernel level. This is the hardcore level.
This is
Linux
okay.
kernel level. Yeah. On top of that, there will be like libraries and then Android runtime. But
Oh.
I'll explain what is this. And then above that,
Yeah.
there will be a application framework level.
Mm-hmm.
So on top of that only applications will be there. This is where we have created applications.
This is like on the surface, like the topmost.
Yes, yes, yes.
Uh,
So uh, like it's like 3 layers in, under the layer which we are working currently. So Linux kernel is like completely this. So Android is a Linux based OS.
yeah, Linux based OS.
So it has a Linux kernel inside it, like
Mm-hmm.
camera drivers, display drivers, keypad drivers, Wi-Fi drivers, all sort of drivers, all sort of hardwares need to be worked with this, right? So all these things, power management, everything will be on Linux kernel,
Only Linux kernel. Okay.
driver based. Everything is drivers. So on top
Okay.
of that, there are libraries. There are many libraries are there. Like using that only, like our applications and all will interact with the hardware devices.
Oh,
Like
okay, okay.
Surface Manager, it only deals
Mhm.
with this display driver actually.
Oh, okay.
OpenGL and all. This is like a graphics related.
Okay.
Media framework, all audio, video, media files and all.
Mhm.
SQLite, database, a WebKit, a browser related,
Okay.
like this, like core level libraries. These are.
Yeah.
So Android has a runtime, like like a DVM, Dalvik Virtual Machine. So it only able to create a like a application, like how do we say this? Dalvik virtual machine. We will go in detail. Okay, the Dalvik virtual machine DVM is an Android virtual machine optimized for mobile devices. It optimizes the virtual machine for memory, battery life, etc. So
Oh,
in Java we have a JVM. Have you heard it?
yeah, Java virtual machine.
Yes, yes, yes. Same like that. The same kind of clone it is. This is Dalvik virtual machine. This is exclusive for Android.
Oh, I forgot I forgot the functionality. Like, what does the virtual machine does? What's the
Okay.
work of?
Okay. What does the virtual machine does in the sense like mm, okay, it gives some dedicated space to run to run any sort of apps you are building, like whatever you are building it, we
Hmm.
need to be run in a particular environment. So
Right,
for
right.
that environment, we have created a customized place. That is why we call it as a virtual machine. Like what do we call this? Mm,
Like
a
it's
dedicated space, like dedicated space we can call it as. It's not
okay,
like
okay.
virtual machine. It's not in virtually and all. This is a place inside a phone storage only.
Right, 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 right. Got it.
See, virtual machine is the virtualization or emulation of the computer system. Virtual
Okay,
machines are based on computer architectures and provide functionality for physical computer.
okay,
The
okay.
employment needs the software, hardware, and combination.
Right. Okay. So
Okay.
this Dalvik virtual machine, so every time we run an app, this
Hmm.
virtual machine runs it.
Yes, exactly. In this virtual machine only, this our application will run actually. So the runtime will take it care of this DVM only.
Oh,
So whenever we are building, right? So it automatically builds in the background, right? So
right,
it
right.
happens here only. This is Android runtime. We
Oh,
say it as na compile time, runtime, and all.
yeah,
This
yeah, yeah, yeah.
only.
Okay, okay,
And
okay. I
above
see.
that, there is a application framework. So okay, just get to know what is there. Activity manager, window manager, content
Mhm.
providers, a view system, notification manager, location manager, resource manager, telephony manager, and package manager. These are like a framework for all the all the separations, like whatever it is. For example, uh, like calls, like messages, all GSM related works and all. It will goes under this telephony manager.
What's a framework like? What is it?
Okay, what's a framework is like they have created a built-in system, like
Oh, built-in system.
framework,
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
which supports everything. Like a
okay,
telephony manager, only who handles everything related to this GSM. I mean, like the SIM, based on the SIM, whatever you are using, everything
right,
will be
right.
taken care of this telephony manager.
Got it, got it, got it.
So whatever the okay, for example, whatever the data we are handling, all this on based on this content providers. So
Okay,
whatever
okay,
the notification systems are there, so those are like notification manager, a view system,
okay.
this display system, location, navigation, all these things,
Oh, right, 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 right. Got it.
window displays, activity, like every screen, each screen is an activity manager, like uh, so you will use multiple applications at a time. So multiple
Mhm.
applications has multiple screens. So all the screens are handled using this activity manager. These are the frameworks which which helps to interact our application with this system properly.
Got it, got it. Like each framework has a specific job to do. Got it.
Yes, correct. So on top of that only we will write this applications. So this application we can't directly display with this, with deal with this display drivers, keypad drivers and all. So we need not to do this. So everything we can use it. This application framework level packages we can use it, and we can make use of all the resources. For example, if you want to build a Uber application, we need not
Mhm.
to go for this location based drivers and all here. Like navigation like GPS sensor and all, we need not to work it here.
No, no.
So they already have created a framework for this. We can using this framework. We can like a location manager framework is available. Using this, we can able to access the GPS level, core level hardware things and all. We can access using this application frameworks.
Got it. Got it.
So they made it simple. This is Android system architecture.
Okay, got it. And for iOS, is it like the similar kind of thing?
Yeah, iOS, no, it would be a bit like a bit different again. iOS architecture.
I'm sorry, this might be an out of context question.
That's okay. We'll get to know this. Core OS, core services, media layer, Touch. I'm not aware of all these things.
Touch. Okay. Okay. Right.
What's happening?
Yeah, looks like we have errors there. So, oh, the errors went away?
Yeah.
Ah, how?
I'll tell you. Oh, seriously. So nothing but this is a recycler view, right?
Right, right.
This recycler view also we need to have a Gradle file. So that Gradle was missing, so it has been added.
Okay. But that is automatic, right? This is automatic.
No, like this Android Studio gave me a suggestion to implement this recycler view. So I just say, okay, go and implement it. It's implemented.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Damn.
Actually, my physical device also connected to this computer. So it's showing this also. See, Asus.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I like to run in my physical device as well. Oh, what is this?
Okay, let's start get a position dot name. We need to get it.
Using an array of persons?
Yeah, it gives array of person.
Yeah.
This library is not working.
We're using Glide or Coil.
I was trying to use this coil that is not working. We'll go with this glide.
Hopefully it works. I mean, at least we have the name.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is the image is not being loaded just. Yeah, we're almost there. Couldn't load. Or it may load in your physical device. Is it a problem with the emulator?
Yeah. Okay. Let me check that. No, I'm not getting it.
No.
What's happening?
Okay.
Okay. So we are using this image loading library, right?
Right.
So we need to deal with this internet. So to have this internet, we need to take a permission first.
Oh my God.
permission.
Uh-huh.
No suggestions available. So we have given the permission. Android.permission.internet.
Internet. Okay. Let's see.
Still it's not loading in my device.
Yeah.
Permission denied.
Oh, permission denied.
Permission.
Yeah, that's the problem. It's not getting internet connection. I mean, if we can load it with the, can we just download the image and put it in the resource file and use it from there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that too. I guess that would be faster.
Yeah. Putting it in the drawable.
Drawable. Okay. Yeah, it's inside the drawable. We're still using Glide.
Yeah, we'll use this. Whether check whether working or not.
Oh, okay, okay.
There's a problem with Glide or something. Check.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, it's displaying.
It came up?
Now it came up.
Oh, good. Ah, yes. There you go. There you go. Okay. This is good. But we could have done it without glide, right? Because loading from the draw, we don't need no outside dependency.
Set image drawable dot
Oh, I'm sorry, I was just gone out for a second.
Understood.
Okay, what happened? So we're doing
Set image drawable is the method on this image view.
Okay.
Of our drawable. Set image
Okay. Ah, there you go. Okay.
Default one. Image view dot set image resource.
Okay, image view dot set image resource. Okay, so again, a quick recap. So on the bind view holder, we're just what are we doing again on the?
No, in this view holder, we are creating a instance. We're going to be creating a
Instance. Okay.
That particular view instance we are creating here. So using view object, this view object returning this view object of this particular layout file, right?
Right.
Using that item view dot find view by id of or dot id dot image view and storing it with this image object.
Okay, so we're just
this view holder object is this one, this holder. See, my basically view holder, object holder. This holder dot this image view dot set image resource of or dot drawable dot profile picture, and then the same holder dot text view dot set text of text.
Okay. Got it.
And you got this architecture also, right?
Yeah. The architecture is fine. I think I understand. The application on the top, and then the framework, and the libraries, and the Linux kernel. Okay.
Correct. Copy your rendered application and design. Okay, I'll tell you this. Okay, we have a Android application. So we are designing everything in XML file.
Right.
We are designing everything in XML file, right? But we need to but like this we have Hello.
Yes, yes, I'm listening.
Okay. In this we have created a simple like a text view with image view. We have created. It's totally fine. But
Yeah.
to more like like WhatsApp kind of application, any big application designs and all, we doesn't know, right? We can't create manually, like we are not that too much into design per side. Developers won't have that much design knowledge, so that's why
Okay.
they go for some prototypes.
Okay.
And there are few websites called Labs.
Okay.
See this?
Oh. Okay.
See the complete screen.
Oh. Okay.
Each screen, how it should be displayed. This is bold, normal, gray color. What is the current age? Everything will be designed by UX designers
Oh. Okay. And they don't write the code. They just
using some tools called Adobe XD, Figma. There are few
Oh.
tools are there. Using these tools, they will make these prototypes.
Oh. Okay.
App designs, they will build it using
Right.
anything, either Photoshop or any design tools.
Okay.
See, they have given a clear picture of what exactly this project is. We need to just implement in coding side. That's it.
So as developers, it's our job to implement this UX.
Exactly, exactly. These are all like just images only. Using
Yeah.
it as a reference, we need to make it to build the application.
Oh, okay. Okay. I see.
This they will use
Yes.
it using Adobe XD. Adobe XD is a tool. So this is Adobe XD. It's a vector-based user experience design tool for a web and mobile app developed by Adobe.
Okay.
So like that, Figma is there.
Oh.
See, Figma is a vector graphics editor for prototyping tool, which is primary for web-based and additional offline features enabled for desktop or macOS and Windows. Companion apps for Android, iOS, and all. So same vector graphic editor. That is also vector graphic. Adobe XD is also vector graphic, vector-based user experience system. Vector-based. Everything is vector-based.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So these are the design tools they'll use to make designs.
Okay.
We call it as a wireframes or prototypes. Everything is the same thing only.
Okay.
Application design using Photoshop or graphic designing. And an application wireframe means nothing but the list of screens which you have seen, right? So that
Mm-hmm.
is one thing we call it as wireframes. Wireframes are prototypes.
Prototypes. Okay. Like
So
not actual code, but just designs.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the difference between prototype and wireframe?
Oh, it's a bit different.
So this is basically a wireframe. It doesn't have much user interface, like the one which we have seen already. So
Mm-hmm.
this is see it looks like complete application. This we
This
call it as
this
a prototypes,
prototypes. Okay.
and this is wireframe. It shows like okay, there is a edit text button from this to this to this. Here we need to this much, like from screen this screen to this screen we need to go. Here it will list of filters will be available. This is sorting functionalities will be available. Like everything, you know,
It's
like a low
it's
level.
it's more primary. Yeah, it's low level, like pseudocode.
Yes, correct. So this we
Okay,
call it as a wireframe.
wireframe. Okay,
So easy wireframe tool for your whole team, mockups, wireframes, and all these things. So this is
right.
prototype. This is prototype.
Okay, got it. Got it. Got it.
That is only they mentioned here. Publishing into the Play Store. Okay, we'll see this tomorrow.
No problem. No
Yeah,
problem.
we'll see this. I'll show you how to publish and all. I'll show you how
Mm-hmm.
to create an account, how to create a Play Store account, how to build an application, and how to place it in the Play Store. I'll show you.
Okay, okay. That sounds very cool. Yeah.
Okay, we'll wind up for the day.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much for your
Thank you,
time.
thank you. You understood clearly, right? Any doubts?
No, no doubt. I got the concept. Yes.
Super.
Thank you again, Venkat. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.